love the color of this dirt here. It's crazy. About to see some Jurassic Park shit. We are up here. About to scope. See what this is all about. What do you think the temperature is right now? It's gotta be like 55. It's like 50s right now, top of the mountain. What's up, buddy? Best looking one yet. Like the boy. It's a he. Billy said this is the largest manufacturing coffee in the United States. We're out of here. Caffeinated, ready to go. 7 days in a tent, sleeping on the ground with a blanket and a pillow I bought from Ross. And now we've made it to Kauai. We just left Maui. We're doing 4-star. 4 stars, man. This is way better. Put a little washer and dryer here so I can wash all that stuff off. Got our own kitchen and a fridge. Billy, you're in your underwear. I told you to put some clothes on. Parts of the Midwest feel colder than the North Pole. State of emergency have been declared. 2,000 flights have been canceled and 6,000 delayed. Postal Service has stopped delivering many parts. While this is going on in the Midwest, oh, what's up, buddy? Yeah, I'm out here, dude. Everyone's freezing their asses off, and Tom and I are hanging on the beach, chilling. It's crazy. That's some Jurassic Park shit right there. We're in the town of Hanalei. So yesterday my drone took a dive on some pavement. I don't think one of the wings or the props is fastened in tightly, I guess. I don't know. Ate it for about 40 feet, right in some cement. My drone is gone. So the rest of this trip I will be droneless. It's a sad day. I lost a good member of the family. But trip must go on, so Oahu will be droneless.